Hi, so this is going to be a short tutorial of how to install Meyvn. You go to the repository on GitHub, you find the documentation. In the documentation you have a section called installation. You have a subsection called easy installation. Oh Lola, you're going away. So you have an easy installation and a manual installation. Easy installation is just the automation of the steps described in the manual installation. It's a bit tedious, so I just created a one-liner so you can just paste it in your terminal. On my system, Meyvn is already installed, so it recognizes this and skips over the installation. If you have an older version, it will update the version to the current version that the installer is aware of. And if you don't have it on your system, then it will fully install it. It will put it on your path. It will start by trying to put it in your bin directory, in your home directory. If not, it will go to other standard locations. Before it installs the program, it will ask for a username password. The username password is the mail you received after going to the Meyvn website and choosing a license. You will get the username password in your mailbox. You can also feed the command line a -u with your username, -p with the password. It will not prompt you for the username password. It can be handy. Once it's installed, you have the Meyvn command in your path. You can run it. If you run it in a directory where there is no Clojure projects, it asks you if you want to create a configuration file, which in this case I don't want. You can get help like this. You can type Meyvn -t to get the list of templates. You can create a Hello World project. In this case, I don't specify the artifact, so it will do a foobar kind of thing. Otherwise, you can give it Meyvn coordinates for your project. Okay, it has now created a project in bar. This is a minimal skeleton to get started. You will often want to run the REPL. So the REPL is an alias. So now you have a REPL running. You can connect it with Cider. There is also the Meyvn Emacs client, which you can install by browsing your packages and looking for Meyvn. It's in Melpa, so you don't need to do anything except install it from Melpa. Package list packages. And if you want the reload on save feature, you can add this to your Emacs init file. And that's it. Then in Emacs you can open your source file and then type Meyvn connect, and there you have it. We're connected. So that's it. Whirlwind tour of Meyvn. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.